Introduction.
Kumenyana.
What's your name?
Witwa nde?
My name is Abby.
Nitwa Ebi.
And you?
Naho wowe?
My name is Muhire.
Nitwa Muhire.
Would you like to repeat your name, please?
Ushobora gusubiramo izina ryawe?
My name is Muhire.
Izina ryanjye ni Muhire.
Oh, Muhire.
Oh, Muhire.
Can I ask you your nationality?
Nakubaza ubwenegihugu bwawe?
Go ahead.
Nibyo mbaza.
I am Rwandan.
Ndi umunyarwanda.
Your country is Rwanda.
Igihugu cyawe n'u Rwanda?
Could you teach me Kinyarwanda?
Ushobora kunyigisha Ikinyarwanda?
Do you want to learn Kinyarwanda?
Ushaka kwiga Ikinyarwanda?
It is very interesting.
Biranyuze.
Nice to meet you.
Nishimiye guhura nawe.